I want to switch
Mhm.
gears just a little bit. You're in
No, you're
Baltimore.
fine,
There's
bro.
a lot of fighters up there. You got Lorenzo Simpson. You got
Yeah,
Kareem
got
Martin still up
Monzo.
there.
Say the who?
Kareem Martin.
Yeah, Kareem Martin. We got Remo. We got Monzo Boy Condi. He
Yep.
he's about to go to camp with us. Like you said, Truck. We got Malik Warren, Malik
Yep.
Hawkins.
Yep.
Man, with the gym is loaded right now, man. It's loaded right now.
Definitely. Right.
Stacy Selby,
Selby
you
from
know.
DC.
Yeah, Stacy Selby.
Stacey Selby.
Yeah, man. So,
Hmm.
man, the gym is packed with talent right now, you know. So,
Right.
yeah, man.
Javante
So,
Davis.
yeah,
Javante Davis fights Mario Barrios, obviously June 26th.
June
Everybody knows.
26th. Yeah,
140
my
for the
dad, my
WBA version.
Coach Calvin and Kenny, and my dad, they in Vegas now, man. They just started. They in camp now.
Mm,
Yeah.
yeah. So what do you think about that matchup? Barrios is
I
probably like
think,
maybe your height.
yeah, a little bit. He's a little bit shorter than me, but I
Okay.
think that's a big fight for Tank, man. When Tank wins this fight, that's another fight for him. That's gonna be in the record books. You know, he's stepping up to 140. It's great competition for him, man. I think Tank will stop him eventually. You know, Tank
Mm,
just got that type of power, man, where a lot of people can't take it. You know, I
yeah.
don't think I don't think Mario Barrios is mentally ready for Tank power. You know, and the skill.
Mm,
You know,
yeah.
yeah.
Some
But
people
it's a
think
good
Tank
fight
is.
though. It's gonna be a good fight. He's not coming to lay down at all.
Mm. I think Mario Barrios fought on Jared Hurt's undercard, I believe in Virginia, right?
Yeah,
When he fought.
he did. He
Yeah.
did. And he fought on Tank undercard last fight.
Yep. So he can
Hmm.
definitely fight. Some people think this is a easy win for Tank. Some
Nah,
people think Barrios is
nah,
his.
nah. It's not a. To me. I'm gonna be honest. From my point of view, it is an easy win because I know what Tank is capable of. But if you really look at it, it's not gonna be easy. It's
Mm.
not.
So if you had to make a bet, would you bet Tank stops him or
Yeah,
TKO or whatever?
yeah. TKO.
Okay.